almost done, Maxwell.
You can't rush an engine check-up, Ricky. Do you want it done fast, or do you want it done properly?
Fast! I agree too!
Fast?
You kids, always in a hurry. Oh, I remember when I was young, I used to go up to Windshield Point, flip upside down, and just spend all day watching the sun go down.
Upside down? Why?
Come to think of it, I don't know. Just seemed like the thing to do.
Fred Whizbang to Maxwell. My trailer hitch
Is broken. I'm on my way there now to have it fixed.
Bunker to Maxwell. Code 44. Traffic light out. Nobody knows how to fix it. Could you have a look?
Oh.
Back to Maxwell. Our radio due our mistake. Over. But also, my engine is going really slow. I think it's broken. Over.
Oh, so much for my free afternoon. Better get my special tools.
Wow, Maxwell seems like he could really use some help. Bike buddies, I have an idea. We can take care of all those repairs so Maxwell can have his free afternoon. Yes! We know how to fix things, right?
No, we sure don't.
Definitely not.
Oh, right, we don't.
But I know someone who can help. ScootBots, go!
They can do those repair jobs?
They can learn. Watch this. ScootBots Learn Mode. There! Now they have all the programming from Maxwell's tools.
Repairbops, we've got jobs to do. Let's zoom out!
Repairbops moving out.
Whoa!
Ricky? Bike buddies? Always in a hurry. Huh?
Oh.
Hey, Dad! Problem with your trailer hitch?
Yeah, it rattles and... Oh! It keeps coming loose. I'm on my way to Maxwell's.
Repairbops can fix that.
Repairbops, fix fast!
What? ScootBots? What are you doing? Hey, that's perfect. Thanks, ScootBots.
Come on, let's zoom out!
See you, Dad!
Why can't I go faster? Go! Go!
Do you want some help with that?
Well, I don't know.
Repairbops, go!
Get ready, Blip. Hit tickles.
What? Then forget it. I'm super ticklish. You can't catch me. It tickles! It tickles! Hey, it's fixed and I'm not as ticklish as I thought.
Come on, just one more job.
No, citizens. Be patient. Officer on the scene. Stop honking. That's better. Right, who did that?
We can help, Officer Bunker.
Repairbops are on the scene.
I don't know. Fixing a traffic light is an important, delicate job.
It has to be done properly.
Do it fast.
But then again, if you can do it fast.
Repairbops, go!
Oh, well, I never.
Haha, thanks, bike buddies. And thanks, Repairbots, for helping out. I can get back to my usual rounds.
Varrow! We did it! I hope Maxwell's enjoying his time off.
Never mind, Maxwell.
The light is all fixed.
All fixed?
The trailer's working fine now, Maxwell. I'll see you next time.
I radioed you by mistake again. Sorry. But also, I don't need help anymore.
Well, that's a stroke of luck. All my afternoon appointments are cancelled. I think it's about time I had a little break.
What should we do now?
When you get things done fast, you have so much free time.
Flip, what's wrong?
Those robots fix my engine too well. Now I can't get it to stop. It just keeps going faster and faster.
Don't worry, Flip. We'll help. Scootio, can the ScootBots fix him?
Not going this fast.
I can't wait. Next green light, I am coming through.
Dad, watch out! Dad!
Wait, what's happening?
Dad, unhook from the trailer hitch!
I can't. It's too tight. It won't come off.
We need to slow them down. I know. Follow me. This hill has to slow you down.
Slower, but not stoppier.
What's happening up ahead? I can't see anything.
DJ, clear the road.
Rev on!
Good job, DJ.
I'm speeding up again.
Where are we? I still can't see.
Just as relaxing as I remember.
Oh, look! It's Maxwell. I know. New plan. Scootio, ScootBots, go! This is our last chance. ScootBots, flip him upside down.
What?
Ricky to the rescue! Speed check! Spoiler up! Visor on! Gadgets, go! Grappling hook, go!
Fantastic! Hooray!
We stopped. Repairbops! I mean, I totally couldn't see what happened, but you did it!
Oh, hello, Blip. Come to watch the sun?
Maxwell, we might have some things that need fixing.
How's that? Better?
Oh, much better. Thanks, Maxwell.
Now then, what about this traffic light?
Oh, yeah. I can fix that, but it's going to take a while.
Oh, how long? I don't have all day.
Do you want it done fast or done properly, Officer Bunker?
Properly, I suppose.
Why are we doing this? Just seems like the thing to do. But I want to play motorball right now! When I have to wait for fun, I get all jumpy! I just need to get my axle adjusted. It won't take long as there's no... This looks like more waiting! See? Look! It's happening! I'm getting jumpy! Something must be up with Maxwell. Let's check it out. Maxwell, are you okay?
You're moving kinda slow. Kinda really slow.
Oh, it's nothing. My gear's just seized up a little. But I'm as speedy as a scooter with a fresh battery. Watch. Can't see me, I'm a blur.
We can see you.
Oh, okay. Maybe my seized gears are slowing me down. Not a lot, just a little.
Well, we can help you out. Right, guys? We'd love to!
Are you sure? Working in a garage isn't easy. It's a lot of work.
We're here to help. Just tell us what to do.
Officer Bunker here's in for his daily tune-up. A tyre change, a paint touch-up, a little rest, and a handlebar adjustment. Not to mention a friendly chat.
Oh, I'll do that part. I'm the chat king.
Do you think you can handle it?
Yeah! Bike buddies, wheel it in.
A little bit here. Stay still.
ScootBots, go!
Good. Now, let Officer Bunker down slowly and give him a smile. You've just helped your first customer.
Like this.
There you go. All done.
Oh, am I finished? Yeah. Excellent job, Maxwell. The best ever.
Well, you can thank my new helpers.
Well, they did a fine job, but I think those smiles could be bigger. That's more like it. See you later.
Oh no! I'm getting jumpy again! Can we go to the park now? Can we? Of course! Right after we help all these bikes. I forgot there were so many. Good thing I've got lots more chats.
A little bit more here.
Lovely.
Done.
Up a bit. Good work.
Yeah.
Down. Perfect. Over.
Yeah. Cool. Did you? Oh my God! Yeah. It's amazing. Whoa! Oh, sorry. It was amazing. It was unbelievable. terrible!
ScootBots, go!
Did you... Oh, my God, yeah!
Is that better?
Yes. Hurry, hurry, hurry. I have to get these push pins to the library.
You're all done.
Thanks. Out the way. Push pins coming through.
Oh, phew! Well, that's the last of the customers. It's finally time to go! Where were we going? The park? Yes! That! Let's soon! Yeah! Yeah!
Jake is coming to pick up the recycling. Can my special helpers get the last load of it from out back?
Come on, guys. Wheel it in. Again.
You're all doing a great job. And my gears are feeling better already. Come on, gears. Just a little faster. I got it. I'm fixed. Well, at least my gears are working again.
Hello? Maxwell? I'm here for your recycling.
I'm in the dumpster.
What's that you say? Recycling's in the dumpster? All right, then. Oh.
Hello? Hello? Jake?
I'm in here. Hey!
Just my luck.
My mum and dad build whole buildings. Even that's not this much work.
I'm sure we can take a break. Right after this.
I'll just put all this in the dumpster. Huh? There was a dumpster here before. I don't think I imagined it. I don't usually imagine dumpsters.
Maxwell! He couldn't have gone far. Let's try his radio. Maxwell! Come in, Maxwell! Come in, Maxwell!
Ricky? Is that you?
Maxwell, we can't find the recycling dumpster. Do you know where it is?
Yes. Yes, I do. I'm sort of helping Jake with the recycling right now.
When will you be back?
Longer. Going. Be back.
Maxwell, are you there? Maxwell!
It sounded like he wanted us to help for a while longer.
Oh, I don't know if I can work anymore.
Even my ScootBots are tired.
It's okay. There are no customers. We can play Moto Ball right here. If anyone else comes by, we'll just tell them to wait for Maxwell.
But what if there's some kind of giant disaster?
What could possibly cause a giant disaster?
Out the way. Extra sharp push pins coming through. Oh, I spilled the push pins. That's the one thing I was supposed to not do.
I got it! Watch out!
Maxwell, we have a 4-3-2. It's a giant disaster.
We just finally started playing.
We told Maxwell we'd help him for the day, so that's what we should do, right?
Yeah! Let's do this.
We can help.
Officer Bunker, this is Ricky Zoom. Maxwell is, Busy, but we can help.
Ricky, there's been a big pushpin spill. A whole lot of bikes have flat tyres. We need to tow them to the garage and fix their tyres.
We're on it, Officer Bunker. OK, buddies, it's going to be a lot of work. But Maxwell and the whole town needs us. Rev and roll! Let's do this!
Oh, found the tyre patches!
Boom! Perfect!
I'll start towing the bikes.
Come on, ScootBots, this way! Come on! To the left, to the left! Just a little bit! Oh, no, down, down! Good job, ScootBots!
What's that you say?
Don't worry, bye buddies. I'm back. Happy customers.
How did you get so many push pins in your tyres, Blip?
I was right there when it happened. I saw the guy spill them all.
You mean you?
Yes, I saw me do that.
You're all set.
Glad we could help. Please come to Maxwell's again.
Even if you just want to chat. I've got lots more chats where that came from. Maxwell, you're back.
There was an emergency, but we took care of it.
You bike buddies are amazing. That was a lot of work, but you stuck to it. You can help out in the garage anytime you want.
Now we can finally play some moto ball.
And I finally can deliver the rest of these push pins.
Oh no, not again.
Blip, wait!
I guess we better stop it.
I'm getting jumpy.
Let's go, bike buddies.
For my art project, I painted this picture of Still Awesome being awesome. He does that a lot because it's in his name. So, in this movie, Racer Road, Still is chasing Professor Mufflercrunk when this massive earthquake... Huh?
It is massive.
Not an earthquake. It's Mrs. Bikely. Are you all right, Mrs. Bikely?
I'm fine, thank you, Ricky. Oh, enjoying Loop's thrilling presentation. Go on, Loop.
OK, so Still revs his engine.
Huh? What would make her this tired?
Maybe if she was up all night.
Yeah, that'd do it.
But why?
Maybe she was marking our homework.
Keep moving, everyone. Just a pothole. Nothing to see. Well, apart from the pothole. Mind the pothole, Mrs. Bikely. It's clearly marked. I see. You're heading straight for it.
Careful, officer. There's a pothole.
Officer, we think there may be something up with Mrs. Bikely.
Yes, I think I'd better help with that. After careful observation, I can safely say that Mrs. Bikely is code 78, not at all herself.
We think she's been staying up all night, but we don't know why.
There's only one way to find out. A stakeout.
What's a stakeout?
A stakeout is where a police officer keeps someone under strict observation from a safe nearby vantage point.
So, hanging around outside a house and watching?
More or less that, yes. But it sounds more policey the way I see it.
There's no school tomorrow. Can we help?
As long as your parents give permission, you can all be my stakeout deputies. We'll figure out the Mrs. Bikely mystery.
Yeah!
The time is 23:27. Stakeout subject, 1 Mrs. Bikely. Ricky, full night vision report of subject's house, please.
It's a house at night.
Roger that. Nothing suspicious there.
This is exciting.
I can't remember a more exciting night.
Tighten your chains, kids. Number 1 rule of stakeouts is you can never, ever, ever fall asleep. So, to keep you awake, I'll be reading to you.
A story?
What is it?
From the Highway Rules Code. Section 1. Traffic signals. Rule 873. No noisy tailpipes.
Aw, he looks so peaceful.
Guys, look. Why is she wearing a mask?
And where is she going?
Officer Bunker, please wake up.
Rule 874.
We're going to lose her. Then we do this alone. Bike buddies, wheel it in. Follow at a distance.
Now I'm ready for you, Professor Muffler Crunk.
Did you hear that?
The mask.
Professor Muffler Crunk. It all makes sense.
It does?
By day, she's a regular teacher. But by night, she's a masked superhero.
You might be right, Luke.
I'll catch you.
Who's she talking to? Shh, we have to stay quiet.
Why? She's not staying quiet.
Come on, buddies. Let's keep following.
Pretending to be clumsy. I wonder what her superhero name is. Mega Teacher? Super Teacher?
I'll get you with my laser beam.
Mrs. Bikely doesn't have a laser beam. Mrs. Bikely!
I'll get you. See if I don't.
She's not a superhero. She's sleep biking.
What's that?
Sleep biking. Sleeping while you're biking. I still say she's a superhero. Just a superhero who sleep bikes.
I don't
don't think she knows she's doing it. And this says we shouldn't wake her. It might scare her.
Okay, but we gotta make sure she doesn't hurt herself.
She's not going to make it!
What? This ought to do it.
Yes!
Good work, guys.
Uh-oh, she's sleep biking up to the roller coaster. Leave it to me. Zoom cam, go!
Ha! You are defeated.
Why is she talking like that?
I've heard that before. Steel Awesome said it in Racer Rose. So, is she dreaming that she's in the movie?
What happens in that movie after Steel defeats Muffler Crunk?
He hang glides off a volcano. We have to save her.
Only one way off this volcano.
She's right at the edge.
Ricky to the rescue!
Speed check! Spoiler up! Visor on! Gadgets, go!
Hold on, Mrs. Spikely. I got you. I think.
Hang glide! Woohoo!
DJ digging in!
Zoom cam, go!
Another victory for Steel Awesome! Until next time.
I think her dream mission is over.
Not quite. She still needs to get home.
Hey, kids, you didn't fall asleep, did you?
No, we're good. Wide awake.
Good. There's no sleeping on a stakeout. Now then, rule 921.
So you were out sleep biking the whole time?
Ah, that explains everything. Oh, maybe I need to stop watching Steel Awesome movies late at night. He's just so awesome.
We have a suggestion to help you get to sleep better.
The Highway Rules Code.
Read one page. You'll be snoozing like a baby.
I'm learning 2,000 important safety rules.
Oh, well, I don't know how to thank you all. Oh, I should be back to my old self for school on Monday.
See you at school. Bye, Mrs. Spikely.
Secret is safe with me.
My secret?
Mega Teacher? Or is it the amazing Mega Teacher? I won't tell. Hey, Mum, let's all ride the ram.
Great idea! Vroom! Ready? Go!
Hang on, Mr. Speedy. Everything all right, Mr. Speedy? Yes,
Aw, can't we just stay a little longer?
Well, I suppose knows we could stay.
Yay!
We can see the new Steel Awesome movie another day.
The new Steel Awesome movie?
We're still done here.
Let's go! I heard in this movie, Steel parachutes off the moon! And that's just the beginning!
It's the best thing I've ever seen, and I haven't even seen it yet.
Hey, slow down, you two. We'll make it.
We can't slow down. We'll miss the big jump. The moon, Mum.
Huh?
Toot, what's wrong?
Where's Mr. Speedy?
When did you have him last?
I had him at the park, and now I don't have him at all. I have to go back.
Whoa, hold your handlebars there, little bike. You can't go back to the park by yourself.
I'm not going anywhere without Mr. Speedy.
Mum!
Cool your radiator, Ricky. Everything's fine. You take your sister back to find her toy.
Not toy, friend.
To find her friend. I'll go get the tickets to the movie and I'll meet you there.
Come on, Toot. We have to do this fast. Where did you put him down?
I did have him when we left the lawn. I remember because he asked to go in the musical ramps.
So he's on the musical ramps?
Maybe, but...
Let's go! Do you see him?
Wait, I remember. He said he didn't want to go on the musical ramps. Too noisy. Mr. Speedy has sensitive ears.
Oh! Ricky, there you are! You'll never guess what new Steel Awesome movie we're going to see! The new Steel Awesome movie? How did you guess? We're just gonna do the spoke bender one more time first. I'm trying to make myself so dizzy, I fall down! I'll see you in the movie! I can't miss it! Hey, Toot! I have an idea!
Knock down the cans, win a prize. There is literally no way it could be easier.
Why don't we try this? There's lots of prizes that look like Mr. Speedy. Leave it to me, Toot.
Go back to my delivery job. There's your prize. I'm out of here. Going to see that new Steel Awesome movie.
That's not Mr. Speedy. That's a monster trike.
No! It's, Miss Cuddly Wheels! Oh, look how cuddly Miss Cuddly Wheels is! If you're careful not to touch the spiky bits...
Monster truck crustaceans!
See? Cute!
Mr. Speedy doesn't talk, he squeaks.
See you there, Ricky! I'm sorry, Toot. I tried. Mr. Speedy is gone. Now we have to get going right now.
Mr. Speedy is gone.
What's that you say, Miss Cuddly Wheels? We should keep looking for Mr. Speedy until we find him. I think you're right, Miss Cuddly Wheels. It's a real rescue.
Let's rescue him now.
Monster truck destroy!
You can leave that here.
Whoa. You can't go to the movie yet.
But it's starting any minute.
I know, but there's a rescue. Toot's lost Mr. Speedy.
Huh?
Don't worry, Toot. We'll find him.
Zoom can, go!
Loopy boosters, go!
Mr. Speedy?
Yum! Roll aside, Toot. I've got everything under control.
Not here.
Zoom-tastic! I see him! I see him!
Mr. Speedy!
I know where that is. Zoom out! This is it. He was right here.
Look! Mr. Speedy!
Stop!
Mr. Speedy's scared of heights. He's very sensitive. Oh, Mr. Speedy. Oh, no!
Hurry, bike buddies! He has to be here somewhere. Whoa! It's like he's trying to get away.
Mr. Speedy would never do that.
Keep up with him.
Mr. Speedy!
Where did he go? We lost him.
Mr. Speedy! Are you here?
He can't answer you. He only squeaks.
He squeaks. I'll use my sound detector. The bridge! This way!
Oh, dear. Oh, where are they?
The movie's starting soon.
Oh, Ricky.
Huh? You guys go ahead and see the movie. I'll see it another time. Come on, Toot. Let's get Mr. Speedy down.
Yes!
Bike buddies never leave a bike behind or on a ledge.
We came this far together. Let's finish it together.
Ricky to the rescue!
Speed check! Spoiler up! Visor on! Gadgets, go!
Grappling hook, go! Maybe, but at least we've got Mr. Speedy back. Let's tell Mum.
I think we should go into the movie.
But we already missed the beginning.
They decided to start the movie just a few minutes later.
Thanks, big brother.
Anytime, little sis.